exceeded expectations. The students were an absolute joy to work with. They were challenging me, and I've been in hospitality for almost 20 years, but they definitely kept me on my toes, and like I said, I smiled the whole week and just had an absolute blast. So we really, really hope to do this again.
I think just my expectations were different than what I got. Like, didn't think we'd be cleaning rooms, but now I have a whole lot more respect for people that do housekeeping. But also just like the amount of teamwork that we had to put into it, and you know, we were in our groups, we also had to talk to operations and food and beverage to talk, just communicate with them. So I think that was another aha moment, like just how important teamwork and communication is.
I've actually been in the hospitality business all my life, but what I've dealt with is like a lower scale hotels where one or two people actually manage the entire hotel. While coming to this immersion program, it really helped me get a broader experience of how higher end hotels are managed. Everybody has their own part. So I actually got to learn a lot about how numbers work and what individual department does for the hotel.
Even if you think that you are not interested in hospitality and it's the furthest thing from your mind, try it anyway, because there is something for everyone here. And the hospitality industry is really huge. And they told us that over and over again the first day, but you don't get it until you actually hear it and you get to see it. There are so many aspects that no matter what kind of personality you are, no matter what kind of things you like to do, you're going to find something here that grabs you. And if nothing else, it will change you in a good way. So when you leave the program, you'll still be a better person for it.